Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about this prickly pear seed in Grow Garden game of Roblox Summer Camp event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Actually, this is not new seed. It's the seed from the last summer harvest event in Grow a Garden the last year, and the summer update is back, but now it's a summer camp event. And if you want to get the seed guys, you need to do crafting. You need to reach tier 4 of the campfire workshop, and these are what you need to prepare for crafting the prickly pear seed. You need dragon fruit seed, master sprinkler, and also giant pine cone, then 5 million shekels. And I'm going to show you the base value of this plant, how much this is worth. Oh, it's around 8k shekels. And I'm going to show you how this plant looks like, guys. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, my garden is full. Okay, this is the prickly pear, this one. It's a tree, but not a big tree like mango. Yeah, I think it's worth to graft, especially if you already have all the ingredients. So why not? Just grab the seed and plant it in your garden. Thank you guys, and that's all about the prickly pear seed and Grow Garden summer harvest. Summer camp event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.